Welcome to our immersive journey through economic models. Today, we'll delve deep into the fascinating world of economics, shedding light on key models that shape our global financial landscape. We'll use captivating visuals to enhance your understanding. Get ready to unlock the secrets of economic theories that govern our economies. Our exploration begins with the timeless principle of supply and demand. Picture a bustling marketplace where buyers and sellers interact, influencing prices. The delicate balance between supply and demand sets the stage for economic transactions that impact our lives. Imagine a circular flow of money moving through the economy, connecting households, businesses, and the government. The circular flow of income illustrates how money circulates as people earn, spend, and save, impacting economic growth and prosperity. We're going to delve deeper into the circular flow of income. As you can see in this clip, this circular flow demonstrates how money moves through the economy. The economy consists of two primary sectors: households and firms. Households are the consumers, the people who buy goods and services, while firms are the producers, creating those goods and services. Here, we have money flowing from firms to households in the form of wages, salaries, and profits. When firms sell goods or services, they receive payments, and this income goes to the households. Conversely, money flows from households to firms as spending. When households purchase goods and services, they pay money to the firms. Now, let's introduce the government into the equation. The government plays a crucial role in the circular flow. Taxes are one way the government receives money from households and firms. The government uses this revenue for public services, infrastructure, and other expenditures. Government spending can also be a source of income for firms. For example, when the government hires a construction company to build new roads or bridges. Not all income earned by households is spent on consumption. Some of it is saved for future use or invested to create additional income and wealth. So, as you can see, the circular flow of income creates a continuous loop of money circulating throughout the economy, connecting households, businesses, and the government. This interdependence is vital for maintaining economic growth and prosperity. Travel back in time to meet the pioneers of economics, like Adam Smith and David Ricardo. Visualize the invisible hand guiding market forces and the principle of comparative advantage shaping trade between nations. These classical economic theories laid the groundwork for modern economics. Today, we are honored to learn about the remarkable contributions of Adam Smith, one of the pioneers of economics. His ideas shaped the foundation of classical economic theories. Adam Smith introduced the concept of the invisible hand. He believed that individuals, while pursuing their self-interests in a free market, unintentionally contribute to the overall economic well-being of society. In a free market, producers seek to maximize their profits, and consumers pursue their best interests by seeking goods and services at the most favorable prices. The invisible hand guides these individual actions, leading to the allocation of resources in ways that benefit the entire society. Next, let's explore the ideas of David Ricardo, another influential figure in classical economics. David Ricardo's principle of comparative advantage revolutionized the way nations conducted trade. He argued that countries should specialize in producing goods and services where they have a lower opportunity cost and trade with other nations for mutual benefit. By specializing in the production of goods they can efficiently produce, countries can increase productivity and expand their overall wealth through trade. These classical economic theories paved the way for the study of modern economics, shaping how we understand markets, trade, and economic prosperity even today. Fast forward to the present and explore modern economic concepts. Keynesian economics, founded by John Maynard Keynes, advocates for government intervention during economic downturns. Keynesian economics recommends increasing government spending or lowering taxes to stimulate economic activity and create jobs. During economic booms, reducing government spending can help prevent inflation. Monetarism, associated with economist Milton Friedman, emphasizes controlling the money supply to stabilize the economy. Central banks use monetary policy to influence interest rates and money circulation, impacting inflation and economic growth. Now, let's apply these economic models to real-world scenarios. Visualize governments using fiscal policy, which involves adjusting government spending and taxation to stimulate or stabilize the economy. During economic downturns, governments may increase public spending on infrastructure projects to create jobs and boost demand. Conversely, during periods of economic expansion, they may adopt austerity measures to maintain fiscal stability. Monetary policy comes into play as central banks adjust interest rates or employ quantitative easing to control money supply and stabilize the economy. By influencing borrowing costs, central banks aim to encourage investment and control inflation. Economists employ data analysis and statistical methods to forecast economic trends, which helps policymakers make informed decisions. These forecasts inform governments, businesses, and individuals on how to navigate economic challenges. As we conclude our immersive journey through economic models, animated insights, we hope to have deepened your understanding of these influential concepts. Economics plays a pivotal role in shaping societies, and these models provide valuable tools for policymakers, businesses, and individuals to make informed choices. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your understanding of the economic world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to Conceptorama for more enlightening content on various topics.